Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Home Food Best Food. Click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest recipes. Today's recipe is strawberry banana smoothie. One of my all-time favorite fun and easy ways to shed few pounds during the summer is to drink a glass of refreshing smoothie. Smoothies fill you up for a long time, and when made without sugar or added sweeteners can be a great way to get an intake of fruits and veggies. This simple smoothie can be customized according to your taste or what you have on your hand. Let's now see what are the ingredients required to make this smoothie. Few strawberry, 1 banana and 1 cup of milk. You can go completely vegan by replacing milk with almond milk. To the mixer jar, add chopped strawberry, chopped banana, and 1 cup of milk. Cover and immediately puree until smooth. Scrape down the sides if needed. You can also incorporate some spinach or oats powder in the smoothie and make it more health beneficial. You can also add some protein powder to enhance the protein content of the smoothie. I hope you like this simple smoothie recipe. Thanks for watching.